Ensure all buckles and all straps are unfastened. Place the device on your leg with the hinge on the affected side of the knee. Align the center of the hinge slightly above the middle of the patella. Center of the hinge should be at midline of leg. Wrap the upper calf strap around the back of the leg above the calf muscle, thread it through the D-ring, and secure. Bring the thigh strap around leg, thread the thigh strap through the slotted thigh strap attachment and secure. Place button of the Smart Dosing strap buckle into appropriate keyhole. Bend your knee with the foot flat on the floor. Turn the Smart Dosing dial clockwise until the indicator is in the 5 position. Turn Smart Dosing dial counterclockwise until the indicator is at the 0 position to release tension on the DFS strap. Bend your knee to 90 degrees and unfasten the thigh strap and secure onto itself. Unfasten calf strap. Lastly, unfasten the Smart Dosing strap buckle by pulling the buckle button out of the keyhole.